Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna share with you some tips and tricks which will help you become a better backgammon player. Always look out for the fifth point. You'll want to make your fifth point. This is your most important point, or to make the fifth point of your opponent. Always try to block your opponent from escaping. This is an ideal situation. With 5 primes in a row, your opponent will have a hard time passing by. Another tip is to don't forget to run with your checkers. In this situation, you are at a huge disadvantage because it will be very hard for you to run with the checkers. Don't let your checkers in a dangerous position. What I mean by that is my checker here can be hit from here, and even from here. So there are 3 positions which can hit my checker. Another tip, for example, let's say you rolled a 1 and a 5 and you can hit your opponent 2 times with the same checker. When you reach the end game, try to have as many checkers on different position so that you can move the checkers out at every roll, rather than your opponent when he rolls a 4-1, for example, he will have to make like this a 4 and take the 1. When you reach the end game, try to put as many checkers on the first position as you can. For example, here I rolled 1-4. Obviously I cannot take the checker on the 4th position out of the game, so I have to make one. In this example, I'll make from here 4 and take 1 off. Suppose I roll a 5 and a 6 in the end game. Now don't let yourself be exposed. Playing like this, I take a 6 because I have to, and then I take also a 5. This is not good. Instead, you'll want to take the 6 and make the 5 so that you're not exposed if your opponent rolls a 2. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and you'll become a better backgammon player. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.